If you're looking for the best Ninja blender alternative, then you're in the right place. I and the rest of the team have literally spent days trying and testing all the best Ninja blender alternatives on the market so that I can give you the most reliable recommendations possible. If you want to see where to buy each product mentioned, then check out the links at the top of the description box. Now, let's see which blenders made the cut. If you're on the hunt for a reliable Ninja blender replacement without breaking the bank, this Hamilton Beach model might be your match. The Hamilton Beach's Power Elite blender features a sturdy glass jar and multiple blending options to cater for all your culinary needs. Imagine creating your favorite smoothies, shakes, or purees with a simple push of a button. This blender promises that ease of use with its clear control panel and straightforward instructions. Designed to take on the toughest ingredients, the stainless steel Ice Saber blades are powerful enough to crush ice and ensure no chunky surprises in your drinks. Similarly, its patented wave action system is engineered to pull the mixture down into the blades, guaranteeing that creamy texture we all crave in our blended concoctions. Cleanup is often a chore with kitchen appliances, but here, it's a breeze. The glass jar, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, meaning more time savoring your creations and less time scrubbing. This blender is not just about power. It's about making the entire blending process, from preparation to cleanup, as smooth as the drinks it creates. Up next is the Cuisinart Velocity Blender, which earns the 4th spot on my list of Ninja blender alternatives thanks to its powerful 1 HP motor, 56-ounce jar, and pre-programmed blending functions. This robust blender boasts a range of features designed for a convenient kitchen experience. With low and high speeds, a pulse function, and pre-programmed settings for smoothies and ice crushing, you can create a variety of textures for different recipes. Also, the electronic touchpad with LED indicators makes operation a breeze while keeping the look modern and sleek. Cuisinart also keeps safety and convenience in mind with its tight seal lid and a 2-ounce measuring cap for adding ingredients mid-blend. The jar is crafted from BPA-free Triton plastic with a comfort grip handle, making pouring and handling super easy. On the flip side though, some durability concerns have been noted, which could be a hassle if you blend often or with tough ingredients. If you're the type who blends occasionally and values ease more than industrial strength, the Cuisinart Velocity might just be the smooth operator you need. The number 3 blender on my list is the KitchenAid K1950, which is a great mid-range option for those who desire a powerful blender, but who don't want to splurge for a super high-end model. The KitchenAid K150 blender is a good Ninja blender substitute when you're looking for something to handle everything from ice to soups. Its versatility comes from the 3 speed settings plus an additional setting specifically for ice, ensuring the consistency of your smoothies is just right. Also, with the dual-purpose jars, you can blend and dash without skipping a beat. Now, I must say, the intricate design of the asymmetric blade commands attention. It's engineered to create a powerful vortex that pulls ingredients down to the blade for a smooth blend, which can really elevate your blending game. Similarly, the IntelliSpeed motor control is a smart touch, always working hard to keep your blend at the ideal speed. While it packs a punch with its ice-crushing prowess, this blender also values a mess-free start. Its soft start feature lets blending begin slowly, increasing speed only after ingredients have been pulled into the blades, leaving you with less to clean and more time to enjoy your creations. Now for the runner-up. With a 1200-watt motor and a sturdy glass jar, the Oster Pro 1200 blender might just be the upgrade your kitchen needs for effortless blending and chopping action. In the quest for a Ninja blender alternative, the Oster Pro 1200 blender presents itself as a robust contender. Its smart settings effortlessly take the guesswork out of your blending tasks, whether you crave smoothies, salsas, or shakes. The pre-programmed settings also assure consistency with just one touch, a substantial perk for those who prefer convenience over convoluted features. The dual direction blade technology of this blender adds a layer of efficiency, blending with precision that will amaze you. It flips the blade's motion to optimize power, meaning your ingredients are not just spun, but also perfectly chopped and ground, ushering in a smoother texture to your blends. What ceases to be a mere appliance and transforms into a kitchen ally might be the Oster's glass jar. Not only is it sizable, allowing you to blend copious amounts at once, but it's also thermal shock resistant and a breeze to clean, being dishwasher safe. This detail, while often overlooked, is a huge plus for any cooking enthusiast looking for durability and ease of maintenance in their blending equipment. Now for the number one product. If you're scouting for a Ninja blender alternative that doesn't skimp on power or versatility, the Vitamix Propel 510 might just be your match. The Vitamix Propel 510 stands out with its program settings that are designed to take on a variety of dishes from smoothies to hot soups. You'll revel in its 10 different speed variations that empower you to craft everything with the precision of a chef, but without needing too much technical know-how. It's this blend of convenience and control that makes it a worthy contender in your blender shortlist. There's no denying the convenience of a blender that tidies up after itself. This model's easy cleaning feature, alongside dishwasher-safe components, makes post-use cleanup less of a chore. Additionally, the commitment to health with BPA-free materials ensures your concoctions are safe and sound for consumption. Beyond the convenience, Vitamix is a name synonymous with endurance. The 2 HP motor of the Propel 510 is potent enough to take on the tougher tasks, whether it's nut butter or fibrous veggies. It powers through without fuss. And with the peace of mind that comes from a 5-year warranty, there's solace in the brand's promise of longevity. Okay, so there you have it, guys. My carefully curated list of the best Ninja blender alternatives on the market today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful in any way, then please do give it a like. And if you'd like to see more from me in the future, you could maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thank you very much for watching.